My name is Vaishnavi and today I'm going to talk about my science experiment. Before telling you about my science experiment, let me ask you a question. Have you ever done an experiment before? Did it succeed or did it fail? Now let's go back to the experiment. For this experiment, we need a turmeric powder, a detergent, a lime, and a glass of water. Firstly, take a glass of water and add some turmeric powder to it, so it will change color to yellow. Then add then add some then add some detergent powder to it, so it will change red color. It will change red color. How cool, right? Now, now squeeze some lime so that it will change color to yellow back. Now mix it. If you, and that is the experiment. Thank you for listening to my experiment.